Hey guys, so my name is Tara. I am 27 years old and I have two kids called Everly and Arlo. I decided that I'm going to do a travel vlog on my channel here because we're going to Korea and Japan for 3 weeks. We're going to Korea for 1 week and Japan for 2. I'm so excited because, as you know, most people would know in the beauty community, Korea is like the beauty capital. I'm pretty sure, off the top of my head, it's got like the most plastic surgeries per capita, and it definitely has got the most funkiest, weirdest beauty products. Anyway, I don't know how much of this intro I'm going to use, but I just wanted to start off this vlog really formally. This is my suitcase. It's from Flylight. I got it from Strand Bags for I think $104, and then I've just packed about 7 outfits, which we have a washer and a dryer. I've got 2 jerseys. I'm gonna probably pick up something else over there. Set of pajamas, my clothes for the flight, makeup obviously, bras and underwear, toothbrush, tampons. I don't know what sanitary products are like and I'm kind of nervous, so just in case. The Switch, laptop. This bag is so cute. It's from Kmart. I just bought it. $22. Comes with a case here that's for your laptop. Then I've got some deodorant. I know that you're not allowed aerosol on the flight, so this is my check-in luggage. And then I've got my currency, passport, and then what else? Oh, there's just some stuff I have to do tonight, like put a new glass on my phone screen.
We're going to Korea.
Cordon bleu.
Yeah. Made it.
In Seoul, with like walking escalators everywhere. Look at it. A mirror and a TV and a limousine. Come on in.
Yeah, I googled it and it like came out exactly.
Exciting.
Exciting.
Oh, can we do first impressions?
Yep. What's first impressions?
Okay, hi guys.
I like traveling with you.
Gliders. You know, we're ready for some good food.
What time is it in New Zealand?
It is 20 past 11 in the PM.
And what time is it here?
I have no idea. It's 8.
What's this?
20 past 8.
20 past 8 here.
Yeah.
Yeah, 20 past 8.
And our first impression so far. Quick and easy through customs. Got a little confused in the beginning.
Lost in the airport. Airport's huge.
Airport was huge. Got lost.
There are these markers and they look like police lights, but they're not police at all.
Oh, here we are, whānau. Our Airbnb in the middle of the city, middle of Seoul, down a back alley. Supposed to be mine, Tara's bed. Oh, no, this is our bed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is way better.
Run.
What's in there?
Shower, dude.
This is a
No, that is awesome.
Oh my god. A bed, it's got a tent.
I'm actually going to sleep in here.
Oh, the shower. Is that a shower?
This bed's way more comfortable than the double.
What is in here? This is a shower.
Yeah, that's the shower.
Right, whānau, here we are walking down just a little bit from our Airbnb. Hey Tara,
Yeah, it's
just
like
enjoying the sights and the sounds.
a store just dedicated to like buying pets clothes.
It's landed about an hour ago, so we're just gonna go and find a 7-Eleven, get a Korean SIM card, get some food,
Oh, look at that.
some something.
It's like an advertisement.
Advertisement on the floor, projected. Yeah, just enjoying the sights and the smells. This is Tara's first time in a big city overseas. Australia's not included. Yeah, and then so we'll have 9 beautiful days here, exploring the city, maybe head out to Busan, and then 2 weeks in Japan, 9 days in Osaka, the rest of it in Tokyo. It's gonna be awesome.
Like, it's just so crazy.
Are they cooked?
I think so, they're like boiled. It's like coffee. 7-Eleven. I got these mushrooms, which are like pockies, and then this Hershey's drink.
Bro, this fish looks like it's seen worse days.
Look at the squid.
Sounds great.